So it's Monday, the 10th of February 2025, and I thought I'd share with you a filmette of lots of all change, and it's all about the fox's legs. Let me show you. So, so this is what the mosaic looks like so far. I've infilled a lot of the green with two colours of lime green. So there's this one, La Maison porcelain tile. They're little square ones. Let me show you. They kind of look like that. They're gorgeous, external grade. And then there's these, which is really quite delightful. Got a bit of a spickled, spotty texture, stippled texture. So I've yet to infill the rest of that. But a friend of mine said she couldn't really see the legs. And the legs, as you know, were of this tile. I'm going to keep this leg as it is. Probably the reason why she thought, and another friend thought, that you couldn't really distinguish the legs was because of these big daisies on either side of them. So what I'm going to do is glue in, and I've cut these up. I spent quite a bit of yesterday, a Sunday, would you believe, from 10 till 5:30 figuring out and cutting tiles. And I did have an idea of using this porcelain tile for the back foot, the back leg sort of thing, which it kind of does go, but why complicate matters, as another friend said to me. So I'm going to put these bits and pieces in and glue them in with my Max Flex fibre, which I've just mixed a small quantity of right now. I'm going to mix a bit more, I reckon. As you can see, the Rumar FlexiFix is so strong that it's taken off quite a bit of the Marmox board, which actually, when you think about it, is a good indication that that glue is very strong. So that's what that is about. So there's the legs, there's the background. I'm still pondering over whether to use these gorgeous porcelain tiles and make two thick undulating areas here. I'm still waiting on for the Grantleigh plates to arrive, because that might inform me on how to do this. I might get rid of these lines and put the Grantleighs in. Might not even have undulating lines at all, or I might do. It all depends on all of the decision making. So the next port of call, once I've done the legs, I prepped on Friday. I prepped up all the boards for the owl mosaic. So we've got Funky Fox here. Now, Funky Fox is referring to the 1970s patterns and designs that Chance Brothers manufactured in vast quantities. And I thought I'd call him Funky Fox because it kind of goes with the territory of the 1970s. Whereas the owl, I'm thinking, Worldly Owl, which refers to all the international endeavours and innovations that they were very much involved in. So I'm thinking, because they did all the glass manufacturing for Crystal Palace, they did the the Big Ben's clock face, and lighthouses around the world, creating Fresnel lenses for the lighthouses. So there's all sorts of things around the world that they were very well known about. So, and that was very much their high point and their pinnacle of their career, their industry back in the Victorian era in the 1800s. So yeah, so Worldly Owl would work really well, don't you think? So So what I'm going to do next, probably this afternoon, is draw up the Worldly Owl. I'm going to put away this gorgeousness, and after I've done all the legs, and then have a think, because I need to mull on this, I reckon. So it's Caroline Jerrywalla, Mango Mosaics. Find me on Instagram, Facebook, and here on YouTube. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, share. Spread the love. Okay, darling. See you soon. Bye.